qu'est-ce que ça porte, parce que là, ça va affecter le lancement final. Ouais. C'est ça que je peux acheter.
That's a freaking Temiskaming going up to Temiskaming, if you didn't know that. It's quite a bridge, eh?
Yeah.
That's a bridge you'd have to cross to go and climb up the mountain.
There are two rivers. The wide one here is the Ottawa River, the other one is the Mattawa River coming into meeting the Ottawa River.
Bye bye. The river is really nice, isn't it? That's pretty nice, eh?
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
That was Canadian Pacific.
Ah.
Number one.
Number two.
Yeah.
That's the one. Number one went there.
Oh.
No technical,
Oh, that's my other friend.
That's the one going.
same direction.
Yeah.
Alors, c'est la clé, c'est ça,
Non, dans ce temps-là, le Dominion marchait.
la place, c'est